Hello everyone, welcome to this class. Today in this class, I explain you power and root. So here come to the module number 14, unit C. The question is find the base from the given equations. So if suppose the equation is b cube is equal to 27. This is the equation given to you and you have to calculate the value of b. Then how do we calculate? Just look at here. First we calculate prime factors of 27. That is, this one is the prime factor of, means 27 is equivalent to 3, 1, 2, 3. How many times it is? 3 times. So we write down 3 to the power 3. So in place of 27, write here 3 cube. Now just see here 3 and 3. The powers are same. It means the value of b is equivalent to 3. So we can write since the powers are same, the bases are equal. So it means the value of b is equivalent to 3. We compare the numbers and you can say b is equivalent to 3. So in this way you can calculate all the answers. I explain you one more example. Here the question is b to the power 4 is equal to 256. The question is given to you and you have to calculate again the value of b. So same thing we follow here. 256, find the factors of 256. Of 256. Now here the power is 2. Then how do we write? See here how many 2 are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it means 256 is equivalent to 1. 256 is equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 to the power 8 we can write, or what we can do here, because the power is here, the power is 4. So we are making pairs of two numbers so that the power will be equivalent to each other. This one we can write 4 multiply 4 and from here 4 and it is also 4. So we can write 4 to the power 4. Yes. So it means in place of 256, I am writing here 4 to the power 4. So it is equivalent to 4 to the power 4. Now just see here, now the powers are equivalent to each other. It means the value of b is equivalent to 4. So in this way you can calculate. Now the next question is find the power from the equation. I am taking one question, 3 to the power n is equal to 243. This is the question given in your book. So just see how do we find the value of n. First again we calculate prime factors of 243. So here how many 3 are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 3 are here. So I am writing here in place of 243 I am writing 3 to the power 5. Now this time the value of base are equal. So bases are equal, hence n is equivalent to 5. So we compare the power, so n is equivalent to 5. Now the question is 4 to the power n is equal to 1024 and divide this number by 4 so that we can write 1024 in terms of 4. So divide this number by 4 and find its factors. 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Here we can write 1024 as 4 to the power 5. This time now the bases are equal. So we can say n is equivalent to 5. So we can write n is equal to 5. Okay. Now come to the module number 16. Here you have to write the value of the given indices. So here the first question is 3 to the power minus 5. This time power is negative. So what is that? If the power is negative, so we reciprocal the number and convert its power into a positive number. So this is the formula which we apply here. So according to this, 3 to the power minus 5. So we reciprocal a number and we write down 3 to the power 5. So this is the answer, and or you can, because we have to find the value. So we multiply 3 5 times. Because 5 is written, so that's why I am writing this 5 times. So what is the answer? It's equivalent to 243. So this is the answer. I explain you this question with one more example. Here the question is 2 upon 5 whole to the power minus 2. Again the power is negative. So this time again we convert a number into a positive power. So what we do? We reciprocal a number. We reciprocal a number and convert its power to a positive number. 5 goes in the numerator and 2 comes in the denominator. So here the answer is 5 upon 2 whole to the power 2, and because the power is 2, so that's why I am writing 5 upon 2 twice. So the answer is 5 5s are 25, and it is 2 into 2 is equivalent to 4. So the answer is 25 upon 4. This is the answer, or you convert this into a mixed fraction. The mixed fraction is this one is a mixed fraction. Here the question is 7 to the power minus 4 upon 7 to the power minus 2. Now we convert this number into a positive power. So what we do here, this number goes here and this number goes here. So what is the answer? 7 to the power 2 and 7 to the power 4 according to this formula. According to this formula, we convert this number. Now these two are in division because bases are same and these two are in division, so we subtract them. So answer is 7 to the power minus 2. Now again the power is negative. We convert this again power into a positive number. So how do we convert? We reciprocal a number. So this is the answer. Because module number 18 and the question is m to the power 6 multiply m to the power minus 3. We have to simplify this number. Because bases are same and these numbers are in multiplication. So we apply which formula? A to the power m multiply a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. So in multiplication we add the power. Here also these are in multiplication, so we add the power. So what we do here? 6 plus minus 3, because it is a negative number, so I am writing this one in a bracket. So it is equivalent to plus minus minus. So we solve it. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. So write the answer m to the power 3. So this is the answer. I am taking one more example. M to the power minus 2 whole to the power 2. So here we apply the formula a to the power m whole to the power n. So this is equivalent to a to the power m multiply n. If the power is above the power, or you can say outside the bracket, so we multiply the numbers, powers. So here also power is above 2. So what we do here? We multiply these numbers together. So this is m to the power minus 4, but it is a negative number. So what we do here? We apply this formula and convert this one into a positive power and reciprocal the number. So it is converted into a positive power. So this is the answer.